Like this healthy plate will help you lose weight, maintain a healthy body size, plus it is equally so yummy, nutrient dense, and very good for your system. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient you need is an apple. So what you want to do is to get your apple, grate, and like you see me doing, apples are very good for the system. Like eating apples makes sure your system is in good state to burn fats. It nourishes your system with nutrients for your liver to function properly and speed up your fat burning process. Plus this is so healthy and nutrient dense. So this is what you want to do: get your apple, grate, and voila, this is the first ingredient. Very important. Set that aside. The second ingredient is oats. Oats are very good. Like this is the healthiest breakfast because it is rich in protein, very good at, like, your system breaks it down so fast without stored up, causing belly fat and weight gain. Like this is so healthy and a very good breakfast recipe. So this is breakfast for weight loss. So this is a cup of oats. You set that aside. The next thing you add to speed up weight loss and load up your system with dietary fiber is chia seeds. Very good for weight loss. Like if you want to fill up your system and burn fat, this is so perfect. So what you want to do is to get your chia seeds. Measure 1 tablespoon of it. It speeds up your metabolism, fills you up while you lose weight, and like this is so good, so good. So this is it. Measure 1 tablespoon of your chia seed and you set that aside as well. The next very important ingredient I add in here is flaxseed. So this is ground flaxseed. You can use the whole flaxseed or you can get your flaxseed and ground. This is equally a very good dietary fiber to fill you up, speed up metabolism, and help you lose weight so fast. Like this is so good for, like this is that food you eat and you lose weight but you feel so full. So this is it. 1 tablespoon of flaxseed as well. So if you don't have ground flaxseed, you can buy your whole flaxseed like this. I have the whole and the ground, so you can buy the whole, just blend it up and you get your ground flaxseed. So this is it. Measure 1 tablespoon and you're good. So this is 1 tablespoon of flaxseed and that is it. The next thing I add in here, not a lot of ingredients please, is cinnamon, which is very important. It doesn't just bring in that beautiful flavor, but it equally helps to cleanse your tummy. So everything put together cleanses your tummy, sends you to your restroom to empty everything all out, and very fat burning. Like this is so good. So you want to measure half a tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and the next thing you want to do is to get your pot on your stove. Add in a cup of water in the pot. So allow the water to heat up a little bit and you add in your 1 cup of oats. So once you add in your 1 cup of oats, you want to like have it soaked up in the water like you see me doing. Like just leave it in there for to see when it starts heating up, like it wants to boil up. That is when you want to go ahead and start adding the other ingredients I'll be sharing with you. I'll be showing you the ingredients I just shared with you. So you want to see this how you see it boiling this way. That is when you go ahead and you add in the grated apple, the apple we're grating. So once you see this consistency, or you see your stuff boiling, you go ahead and add in this grated apple in here. Very good. I make it this way. It is like fiber as well. Like this is so filling and fat burning. So you add in your apple, add in your 1 tablespoon of chia seed, add in the flax seed, and add in your cinnamon powder. So the teaspoon of cinnamon powder, you add it in there. Now the next thing you want to add is any plant-based milk like almond milk, coconut milk, 1 cup of it of your choice. I go for plant-based milk because they digest so fast. They don't store up, causing belly fat and weight gain. Rather, they foil your system with energy to burn fats. Very healthy. So you add in a cup of almond milk, coconut milk, or any nut milk of your choice in there. Not dairy milk, please. So once you add in, this is when you want to stir up everything. You stir everything to get to one consistency, like all like no ingredients on one side and chia seed or what, like everything to one smooth consistency. So this is it. You mix up and just leave it on your stove for like 2-3 minutes. You don't need to cook for so long. 2-3 minutes and you see this thickness, this beauty, very nourishing. The next thing you want to do is to transfer in your plate so you can eat that 2 times. So you split in 2 portions, you eat 2 times. Or you're eating with someone but you just eat half of it, that is fine. Unless you're too hungry, you can eat all of it. But if no matter how you eat it, you still lose weight. So if you can eat all, that is fine. If you can share with someone, that is fine. But this is how you eat and lose weight, darling. This is how you eat and nourish your system. This is how you eat and easily visit your restroom and everything comes out, all build up stuff. They like you visit your restroom easily. Not those kinds of breakfast you eat and you are unable to visit your and send everything or and push the bad stuffs out. So this is so healthy, very one of the healthiest fat burning breakfast recipes. If you're looking to eat, stay filled up and lose weight, this is so good. Like I say this with a lot of testimonies, like this is me. You will not believe I used to be so chunky. I had that tummy, had like I was so big, and now at least I can say I'm proud of my body, even though I'm not really that skinny on the skinny side, but that belly fat is all gone. Like I share a lot of pictures. I'm not very skinny, but I have a very healthy body without bad fats, belly fats, and these recipes are so good. I will not lie to you. If you're looking to maintain a healthy body size, this is something you want to wake up in the morning to. The more you eat this as your breakfast, the more you lose weight. You can eat it at bedtime as well, like your dinner. You have it as breakfast, your dinner, and come back and you tell me, just try this for a week. Like just take a week to try this, just this. Like forgo whatever you eat in the morning, like your pizza, just forgo it and go for this. Morning and bedtime, morning and bedtime, morning and bedtime for 1 week. You will come back and say, hey Riza, it will improve your digestion, help you burn fat, nourish your system. Your system will look so healthy. Your body will look so healthy and beautiful as well. Like this is how you want to eat to live a very healthy life, free of bad fats, which leads to so many diseases. I will not reiterate in this video. I've been talking about, you already know that overweight is something you don't want. You want to burn fats, not just to look beautiful, but to have a healthy life as well. So try this for a week, come back and tell me, and I'll be happy to share your results with you. Share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.